Wondering how to wrap your baby in a swaddle blanket without it coming undone or being too tight? I'll show you how to do it step by step so baby stays safe and snug. You're just gonna do a little one-handed maneuver to open your blanket into somewhat of a diamond shape. Right. Once we're in a diamond, we're gonna fold one corner down to create a straight edge. So it forms kind of a triangle. Next, we're gonna take baby, set them down so that the shoulders are just above that top edge, so it's not restricting the face. Next, I'm gonna use one corner, wrap arm down across the chest. Some babies like to self-soothe by having their arms up next to their face. So if that's your baby, it's totally okay to have the arm next to the face. You're gonna tuck that edge underneath the back, like so. Then you're gonna take that bottom corner. I like to fold it and tuck it into the top. You don't want to restrict too much so that their legs can still kick around and that the hips aren't too tight. Then you're going to take that last arm, and I'm going to leave it up because it seems like he likes to self-soothe with it up. I'll tuck this corner underneath his back. If you're worried about your swaddle being too loose, just know that the weight of the baby is kind of keeping it tight. It's best to have your baby sleep on their back, but if you notice them starting to roll, which can happen at around 8 weeks, then you're gonna wanna stop swaddling and just having them sleep in the crib with no pillows or anything around.